And here we are, the Nautilus 5811 1G, the modern successor to the 5711. But this isn't just a reissue. The 5811 is a refined evolution, featuring subtle yet significant upgrades that make it stand out in the Nautilus lineage. Let's start with the most obvious change, the white gold case. Unlike the 5711, which was made in stainless steel, the 5811 comes in 18K white gold. This material upgrade makes the watch feel more exclusive and luxurious, while maintaining the iconic Nautilus design. Fun fact, the white gold used by Patek Philippe is rhodium-plated, giving it a cool, silvery finish that's both elegant and understated. The blue sunburst dial. The dial is another standout feature of the 5811G. It features a blue sunburst finish that shifts shades depending on the light, from a deep navy to a vibrant royal blue. Patek Philippe has always been known for their dials, and the 5811 is no exception. The horizontal embossing gives it a classic Nautilus look, while the lume-filled hour markers ensure legibility in low light. The new two-part case construction. One of the most important changes in the 5811 1G is the return to a two-part case construction. Why does this matter? Well, the original Nautilus 3700 had a two-part case, which was later changed to a monoblock case in the 5711. The 5811 brings back the classic design, improving water resistance and making maintenance easier. The upgraded clasp and bracelet. The bracelet on the 5811 is another area where Patek has made subtle improvements. It features a new fold-over clasp with a micro-adjustment system, allowing wearers to adjust the fit for maximum comfort. This might seem like a small detail, but for collectors and enthusiasts, it makes a huge difference in daily wearability. Inside, the 5811G beats the caliber 26-330SC, an automatic movement known for its reliability and precision. This movement features several technical upgrades, including stop seconds mechanism for precise time setting, date display at 3 o'clock with a quick set function. And of course, the movement is finished to Patek Philippe's exacting standards, with the Patek Philippe seal ensuring uncompromising quality.